Just going to run through a basic how to change your treble hooks on big shallow running crankbaits. We have fishing at Letziborgo, and the fish tend to be a little bit hard on standard size trebles. They bend them open. Basic starting point, you need decent trebles. What I find useful is a Mustad. I think this is a 2.0 heavy gauge short shank triple grip hook. It's the triple X one, the extremely strong one. You need a decent set of split ring pliers. These are the most basic ones you get, but they work really well for me. You basically want to start. I'm going to remove the whole split ring and the hook off this old bait and transfer it onto the new bait. You start off with the split ring facing up towards you. Simply insert the split ring remover, lock it onto there, and use the split ring pliers to twist it. And off is your treble. Do the same on the other one. And there you have it. Changed treble.